In the artisan category, the winner is Narga with Jaina Proudmore.
Whoa! Congratulations! Congratulations! I think there's a spot over there. Congratulations!
All right.
Yep.
In the SFX category,
Yes.
the winner is Kelton Ching
Oh, yeah!
as the creator.
Who's next?
In the individual category, the winner is the Egg Sisters as the Sandalari Troll in Heritage Armor. And in the group category is the Pink Spear Tribe as Queen Ashara.
Oh, yes! We got one more. Who is it, Monty?
In the fabrication category, we have Aoki as Arthas Menethil.
Oh, wow! Those are the winners in each category. But before we announce the overall winner, we want to bring Monty to the stage so that you can all see him and say hello. Monty, come on out here. Monty! I love you.
And I love you.
And now it is time to announce the winner of the overall cosplay competition. Guys, this is it. Who is it? Open it up for me because I'm too nervous, Panzer. Open it up, open it up. Goodness gracious. The winner is Kelton Ching, the creator! Congratulations! Beautiful work! Congratulations! Let's hear it for everybody! Guys! Be on this stage next year! That is our show! On behalf of the judges, on behalf of the crew, on behalf of everybody watching at home, on behalf of me dressed up like a head waiter, thank you so much for making this the most special community night